Good morning. Today we will be doing universal gates. What are universal gates? Gates by using which we can construct all the other gates. They are known as universal gates. That means you can construct any of the gates, any of the logic gates like AND or NOT, XOR by using this universal gates. What are these universal gates? These are NAND and NOR. NAND gate and NOR gate. See, NAND gate is the IC for NAND gate is 7400. This one 7400, and IC for NOR gate is 7402. 7402. So today what we will be doing, we will be constructing all the gates, all the other gates using NAND and NOR gate. So we start with first we'll be verifying NAND gate and its truth table. Here it is, the symbol of NAND gate. This one is NAND gate and it is its truth table. See, we have taken the IC 7400 for NAND gate and we have already made the connections. So, for IC 7400, it is consisting of four NAND gates. Four NAND gates. See, gate 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that last day we discussed, for each and every IC, to make it functional, we will have to provide the VCC and ground. That means we have to power the IC for enabling it to work. Then suppose we are using gate, the first gate. For this we'll have to provide inputs at 1 and 2 and take the output at 3, pin number 3. So here we have connected 7400. We have provided VCC and ground. See, this one is the VCC 14th pin and ground is 7th pin. We have given inputs to pin number 1 and 2 and we have taken the output to from pin number 3. So see, this one is the truth table, corresponding truth table for verifying NAND gate. When we give 0 0, the output should be 1, 0 1, output 1, 1 0, output 1, 1 1, output must be 0. Output must be 0. The output should be 0, just opposite of AND gate. Okay, just opposite of AND gate. For output for 1 1 will be 0. See, here when we have given 0 0, 0 0, both the pins are at low. 0 0, the output is 1. The output is 1. When we give 0 1, the again output is 1. 1 0, output is 1. 1 1, the output is 0. Once again, 0 0, output is 1. 0 1, again the output is 1. 1 0, output is 1. 1 1, output is 0. Just opposite of AND gate. It is not AND gate, not AND gate. Okay. Now we will be verifying the next universal gate, that is NOR gate. NOR gate मतलब not OR gate. ठीक है, not OR gate. Or simply by placing this gate can also be realized by simply placing NOT gate after OR gate. But here we have individual IC for this particular NOR gate, and we can construct or we can realize all the other gates by using NOR gate similarly and NAND gate also. So these two gates are called universal logic gates or universal building blocks, by which you can realize or by which you can make all the other logic gates. For NOR gate we will have to take the IC 7402. See, here for each and every IC you'll have to look for its pin diagram, which will be mentioned in the specification sheets of that specification sheet of that particular IC. So that specification sheet will give you the pin diagram, how, or pin configuration, how that gates are arranged, where are the inputs, outputs, and where VCC should be connected, where ground should be connected. Everything will be mentioned in the specification sheet. So for 7402 you can check, see here it is also containing 4 number of gates, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4, or 1 2 3 and 4. See here the VCC and ground is, VCC is at pin number 14, just as we had in 7400. Ground is at 7. See, but here the input pins are, for the first gate the input pins are not at 1 and 2, the input pins are at 2 and 3, and output is at 1. But in case of 7400, see here we had inputs at 1 and 2 and output at 3 for the first gate. For the first gate, inputs at 1 and 2, output at 3. But here inputs are at 2 and 3, output is at 1, just opposite to that of 7400. So for each and every IC you will have to check its specification sets for the pin configuration. Accordingly you will have to use the IC. So we have taken here 7402, I have already placed it. First thing, again I am repeating, first thing what we have to do for using any IC is we have to connect the VCC and ground. We have connected VCC, see this one is 5 volt VCC, pin number 14, pin number 7 is ground. Next is giving the inputs. We will be giving inputs at pin number 2 and 3, pin number 2 and 3, and output will be generated at pin number 1. See the output for displaying here in the LED, and pin number 1. So here is the input table for NOR gate. NOR gate, it will be just opposite to that of OR gate. Output will be 1400. For all the other cases output will be 0. For all the other cases output will be 0, just opposite to what we had for OR gate. See, negation of OR gate, okay, not of OR, NOR. So when we have given 0 0 over here, 0 0, both the inputs are low, the output is high, matlab 1. 0 0, output is 1. 0 1, output is 0. 1 0, output is again 0. 1 1, output is 0. Once again 0 0, output is 1. 0 1, output is 0. 1 0, output is 0. 1 1, the output is 0. It will be 1 for NOR gate, it will be 1, output will be high for only 0 0, if both the inputs are low. Now we will be using our universal gate to realize and different logic gates by using we will be realizing different logic gates by using this universal gates. First we will be realizing NOT gate using AND gate, NAND gate, NOT gate using NAND gate. See, here is the this is the circuit diagram. NOT gate using NAND gate. NOT gate, as we know, it has only one input and the output is the negation of the input. Suppose input is 0, the output will be 1. When input is 1, the output will be 0. See, NOT gate using NAND gate. What we have to do is, here what we have to do is, we have to simply sort both the input pins of that particular NAND gate. See, here we have sorted both the input pins, both the input pins of this NAND gate. Input is only one input is there, both the pins are sorted, pin number 1, pin number 2, and the output is the negative complement of the input. So here we have taken NAND gates. NAND gate is again 7400. So first thing is VCC and ground. VCC connected, ground connected. Then we have to give only one input. So we have given the input. We are using the first gate in 7400. See, in 7400 the first gate, the input where we have to give pin number 1, pin number 2, okay, and output we have to get it from pin number 3. So we will be giving input at pin number 1. We will be sorting both the pins. How we are sorting? See, we have taken a wire. We will simply put this wire from pin number 1 to pin number 2. Means that the potential or the voltage which is present at pin number 1, it is also at pin number 2. That means this both the pins are sorted, or both the pins are at same potential. Now here is the output. See, here we have given input as 0, the complement is 1. Here we are giving input as 1, the complement is 0, the output is 0. Again 0, the output is 1, 1, output is 0. Input is high, output is low. Input is low, output is high. Similarly, we can make the same. We can realize NOT gate by using NOR gate. Okay. Here NOR gate, for NOR gate we will be using 7402. 7402 will be using first gate, but make sure that you are connecting as per the pin diagram. Pin diagram is pin number 1 is the output, 2 and 3 are inputs. Okay. So first thing is we have to connect VCC and ground. VCC and ground. Input at any of the pins 2 or 3, and we will sort out both the pins 2 and 3, and we will take output at 1. See, here this is the circuit diagram for realization of NOT gate using NOR gate. See, in the same way as we did with NAND gate, here also what we will do, we will sort both the pins, both the input pins of NOR gate, and we will get the output as complement of the input. A, we are giving A, we will be getting A complement. See, here we have connected. We have given input as 0, the output is 1. Input as low, output is high. Input as high, output is low. Input is low, output is high. Same as we got with the NAND gate 7400. We are using here 7402 NOR gate. Now next, what we will be doing, we will realizing AND gate using NAND gate, and OR gate using NAND gate, OR using NOR, and using NOR, and finally we will be doing XOR using NAND and NOR. So coming on to here, NAND gate, AND gate using NAND gate. See what we will be doing here. See, this is the circuit diagram. Inputs are A and B. Intermediate output will be the NAND of A and B, A, B complement. Again, for realizing AND gate, we just have to remove this complement. So for removing the complement, what you should do is you again complement this. How we can complement this? By using NOT gate. Just we did NOT gate using NAND gate. See, NOT gate using NAND gate. Simply sort both the inputs and you get the complement of the input at the output pin. So first what we did, we simply gave inputs A and B to NAND gate. We got AB complement, and just complementing it again, we will get the output A, B. Here is the truth table. A, B, Y. See, the output will be 1 only if both the inputs are 1. We know this, that this is the truth table for AND gate, but we have realized it here. We are making this circuit to do the work which is being performed by AND gate. So what we can say is we are realizing AND gate using this NAND gate. We are realizing AND gate using NAND gates. ठीक है. So first thing is connect VCC, ground, two inputs A and B, where A and B will be connected to the first gate. See, to the first gate. First gate मतलब A and B to the first gate. First gate we are taking it as here. This one to be the first gate. Pin number 1 and 2. A and B at pin number 1 and 2. 3. Pin number 3 will be the intermediate output. What is that intermediate output? AB bar. This one will be pin number 3. And finally this we will give it as input to the second gate, that is pin number 4, and sort it to pin number 5 in order to make the second gate as NOT gate. ठीक है. And we will get the output, final output from pin number 6, from the output pin of the second gate. First gate we are giving the input A and B. First gate we are giving input A and B, and second gate it is NOT gate, and here the intermediate output is AB bar, and final output we will obtain from pin number 6, that is second gate, output of the second gate. So A and B output generated at pin number 3 will be given to the input of second gate, pin number 4. Pin number 4 and 5 will be sorted. We have to realize NOT gate, so we'll have to sort both the pins, input pins, and output will be taken from pin number 6. ठीक है. 0 0. Now we will be checking the output. 0 0. The output is 0. 0 1. Again the output is 0. 1 0. Output is 0. 1 1. Output is 1. See. ठीक है. Yeah. We'll see here. 0 0. The output is 0. 0 1. The output is again 0. 1 0. The output is 0. 1 1. The output is 1. Okay. We can see the inputs given over here. When the bulb LEDs are glowing, it means 1. LED is not glowing, it means 0 or active or low. Input as low. See, now we will be doing OR gate using NAND gate. OR gate using NAND gate. See here the number of gates are more. 1 2 3. Last we did with 2 gates. Here we have 3 gates. Gate 1, gate 2, gate 3. So in single IC, in one IC we have seen there are 4 number of NAND gates. Okay, there are 4 number of NAND gates. So first you can take any 3 of this 4 out of this 4 NAND gates, and you can realize OR gate using NAND gate. Suppose first you have taken this, suppose this one to be the first gate, this one to be the second gate, and this one to be the third gate. Okay. So here we will also be writing the pins over pin numbers over this diagram that we have made. Suppose we are using the first gate as this one, second gate, and third gate as this one. See, you will be writing the numbers, IC numbers, where this particular pins will be connected. See here we have also mentioned the pin numbers. See, pin number 1 and 2 for the first gate, okay, the output will be 3. Okay. Second gate we will be using inputs as 4 and 5. 4 and 5. See over here, input pins 4 and 5 for the second gate. Input 6 will be 6. Pin number 6 will be the output of this gate. See, next we have used here this gate, third gate. Okay, so inputs will be 10 and 9 and 10. The inputs are 9 and 10. Any one you can take. not necessarily 9 to be the upper one, you can take any of these two, 9 and 10, and output will be at 8. You can also, instead of taking this gate, you can also choose this gate. Okay, but in that case you'll have to give inputs, instead of 9 and 10 you'll have to give 12 and 13. Okay, and output, instead of getting output at 8, you'll have to take the output from pin number 11. If you are using this gate, but we have used this gate, so we are using inputs 9, 10, pin numbers 9, 10, and the output at pin number 8. Say we have made the circuit for realization of OR gate using NAND gate. Say here OR gate using NAND gate. Pin number 1 and 2 for inputs, 1 and 2 for input A sorted out. Pin number 4 and 5 for input B, both are sorted. Pin number 6 is going to pin number 10, 3 is going to 9, and finally output at 8. Truth table is this one. Its output, as we know that output of OR gate is 0 if both the inputs are 0, and if any of the inputs are 1, output will be 1. See, input is 0 0 0 0, output is 0 0 1, output is 1. You can see 0 1 over here. Again, the output is 1 0, the input is 1 0, the output is 1. Input is 1 1, the output is 1. Okay, inputs are 1 1, output is 1. Again 0 0, output is 0 0 1, output is 1 1 0, output is 1 1 1, output is again 1. Similarly, we can realize, you can realize both all the gates, both the gates like we did here, like AND gate using NAND gate. Here you can realize AND gate using. So same way we can realize these two gates, AND and OR using NOR gate also. This is a circuit for OR using NOR gate. Okay, and this one is AND using NOR gate, and these two are the truth tables. So in the same manner we have done. So next we will be doing the XOR gate using NAND gate. XOR gate using NAND gate. See, this one is XOR gate using NAND gates. Here, see, here we have given A and B. A, we have taken the complement of A. So complement we know how to make NOT gate using NAND gate. So here we are getting the complement, and B, complement of A and B given to another NAND gate. See over here. In the same way, for the second part, what we have done, we have given A directly and complement of B to this NAND gate. See, while doing the experiment, if we are taking an input A, suppose one input, we'll have to take all the A from this point only. This you'll have to ensure while doing the experiment. If we have taken one input as B, we'll have to take all the inputs, B inputs, from this point only. This you will have to make sure. You cannot take here A as A from suppose this point, and again another A, if you are giving input as A to some other gate also, you cannot take it from some other point. You will have to take it from here itself. So for doing that, what we do is, see, suppose A you have connected from here. Suppose you are giving input, you have given A to some, suppose there is an IC, take this one as an example. Suppose to the pin number 2, yeah, pin number 1, you have supplied A, and again that A is required somewhere else. So you cannot give that A from here or some other input. you'll have to take that A from this point only, and you can provide it to some other gate, suppose here. Got the point? If we, again I am repeating the same, while doing the experiment, if we have to take one input at multiple places or at multiple pins, then you will have to take the input from the same point over here. You cannot take from 2-3 points as input A. If you are taking input as A, you have taken it from here. Suppose this point you have given the input. From here only you will have to connect to the other points where you are giving input as A. Yeah. If you have to connect A as multiple number of inputs, then you will have to take point A from the single input source. Similarly for point input B, C and so on. So see here, so that is why we have connected this line connected A to this point or B to this point. While making the circuit, we had mentioned A and B over here, but we'll have to take it from here, not from any other point. See, here we are taking number of inputs, number of gates as, here we require number of gates as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of gates. You can do it with less number of gates also. This will be a part of theory class where you can reduce the logic expression by Boolean algebra or some other methods like Karnaugh map or anything. But for the time being, for the experiment purpose, we will be using 5 gates, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we know that we have only 4 number of gates in one IC. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 number of gates in this IC. So we'll have to take 2 7400 ICs for realizing the XOR circuit using NAND gate. We'll have to take 2 7400 ICs. See, here we have made this circuit. We have used 2 ICs 7400, IC1, IC2. See, what we discussed, or I have been telling you many times since we started, that for making the IC to be operational or functional, what we have to do is we have to connect the VCC and ground for all the ICs individually. See, here also we have used 7400 2 ICs, and we know that for 7400 IC, VCC is at pin number 14 and ground is at pin number 7. So in both the ICs, see what we have done, we have taken VCC as a common point over here on the top row. All the points here from starting from here to here, all are at 5 volt. We have connected, see, VCC to this IC, VCC to another IC. Similarly, we have made this whole bottom row to be 0 volt by connecting ground pin to this. Since we know that all the pins are sorted, all the pins here, all the points here in the bottom row or the horizontal rows are sorted. So we have connected ground over here for this particular IC. See, you can see like this. Okay, yeah, ground. Okay, for this IC, ground for this IC. So we have provided VCC and ground, and we have made this circuit accordingly. Okay, you can give the numberings also. It will be better for you if you are making the circuit. You can better give the numberings like pin number 1, pin number 2 of first IC. Okay, I'll number it and show you. See, we have done the numbering for initial while you are starting, while you will be starting to do this experiment. So it will be easier for you if you number the pins where you are giving the inputs or where you are getting the outputs. So here, suppose here we have written, see, 1 1 1 1 means the IC1, since we have to use two ICs. So IC1 pin number 1 as first input, IC1 pin number 2, See, both inputs are sorted to get not gate A bar. ठीक है, where we will get that A bar from IC number 1 pin number 3. ठीक है, IC 1 pin number 3. Similarly B, where you have to give B you will have to provide 110 IC1 pin number 10. It is easy. It is matlab when you will see the pin diagram and when you will make the connections, then you can easily do this very easily. Yeah, this is just for the simplicity so that you can understand by seeing to the circuit how this has been connected in using the ICs. This will make your IC connections or making the circuit by using ICs a bit easier when you have proper pin numberings. Okay, and this one is the truth table. Truth table AB, the output will be 1 if both the inputs are different. Both the inputs are different. If both the inputs are same, output will be 0. Same 0, same 0, different 1, different 1. So we have made the circuit over here. So we are giving inputs as 0 0. Inputs are same, the output is 0. Input is different, 0 1. Okay, the output is 0 1. The output is 1. The output is 1. Input is 0 1. The output is 1. Similarly, input is 1 0. Output is 1. The output is 1. See, when input is 1 1, the output is 0. Again 0 0. See, the output is 0. 0 1, output is 1. 1 0, output is 1. 1 1, the output is 0. Okay, when the inputs will be different, then only it will give output as 1. When inputs will be identical, the output will be 0. See, different, identical, 0. Okay. This is all. In the same way, you can realize XNOR gate also by using NAND gate, and in the similar way you can use NOR gate to implement this circuit. XOR and XNOR. XOR and XNOR, in the same way you can use NOR gate to realize the same. That is left to you as an exercise, but you will be doing it while along with the pin numberings of the IC. Suppose first IC pin number 4, first IC pin number 5. In the same way, you will have to make this circuit using NOR gate for all the circuits, that all the gates we have realized using NAND gate. You will do, or you will realize on your notebook by using NOR gate, OR gate by using NOR gate, OR gate by OR gate by using NOR gate, AND gate by using NOR gate. You will have to realize it. You will have to write the truth table, but here you will have to mention the pin numbers also, which pins you are using for using as A, or which pins you are using as input to give input, and which pins you are using to get intermediate or final outputs. Okay, rest sir will be explaining the rest part. Thank you.